God bless you, friends of mine. This is Pastor P. Jonathan Porterfield, the senior pastor of the Cathedral of His Love, located at 2514 West Cervantes Street in the city of Pensacola. This is a very special invitation to come and be a part of our service tonight. Tonight, beloved, God has impressed upon me to deal with some very specific issues that are going to bring about a deliverance in your life. I want to speak a word, an effective word, into your spirit that's going to help you be thrust into your spiritual destiny. Beloved, you've heard many and you've seen many things happen, but you've often asked yourself, when is it my time? I have a very special message for you. Tonight is the night that changes your perception of when your time begins. So I want you to come tonight, meet me, all of you in the surrounding areas, Myrtle Grove, Cantonment, all of the surrounding areas that are touching Pensacola. You know who you are, all of my friends, listeners, and fellow laborers in the gospel. Tonight at 7:30 p.m., I want you to make it your business to be at the Cathedral of His Love. God has a very special word for you. I'm telling you, it's going to bless your life tonight. This is Pastor Porterfield, as always, saying, I'll see you there.